back to a video where I haven't posted in a while. I switched jobs and it's been hot. I haven't really felt like working outside after working outside all week, so but I do have to do the brake calipers on the C10 because one of them was locked up and I couldn't, like that whole 2 months or whatever, the C10, it just didn't move because of a locked up brake caliper. So I already got them off, and I already got the 2 new ones, so I just got to bolt them on, and then we're going to try to start it up and see if we can get it to move under its own power again. So I am going to be doing pads and either turn the rotors or get new ones with new wheel bearings and all that kind of stuff. But for right now, I just need to be able to move it under its own power again. So I'm just gonna put the old pads on, and you know, it'll be where I can pull the caliper back off. Because I mean, it's not going on the highway right now, just obviously. So it just needs to be able to move without a locked up wheel. So let's get started. Remember, all this is going to come back apart to do the pads and rotors and bearings, but just need to be able to move it because this caliper was locked up, locking up the wheel. Little 2-wheel drive couldn't even fucking move. It was just doing burnouts. No weight on the bed, no bed.
Cold store.